Hey guys, Button1979 here. Gonna bring you guys today a quick video showing guys some deals at the Home Depot. So for Ridgid power tools, and they have a free tool event right now. So if you buy, let's say, this Ridgid combo here, that's $2.99, you get a free bare tool up to $188. So let's click on it and let's see the tools that we have on this free tool event. So this thing ends in February 2, so 2022. So you guys still have time if you guys want to go buy it. So buy this particular combo. So you get the Octane line, some of the Octane and some of the new, like the oscillating tool, the new brushless one. So the Octane brushless angle grinder, the jigsaw, the new max output battery, that's a 2-pack of 2.0s, and the new brushless reciprocating saw, and the newest brushless cordless hammer drill. So this one is the one with 800 inch-pounds of torque, which is nothing compared to the DeWalt and Milwaukee, but you know, for the compact size and for the power that it has some pretty good power. So this is the drill driver only. So, and you get the flashlight, so the hybrid light cannon, so they call it. So let's go see something else that you can purchase that this applies to. So let me go up here and let's do Ridgid battery. So battery right here. So you also have this combo, guys, the starter kit with a max output 4 amp hour. So you get this one, that you also have the free tools. So same deal, guys. So you have the same tools here that apply. So if you want a cheaper combo, so instead of well, not $2.99, but the regular combos that you have for a 4 amp hour battery, let's say with a drill or jigsaw or something, especially for the drill. The drill is $250, I think, for the hammer drill, for the brushless hammer drill. So right now you have it for $200 instead of $250 to $60. So it's a pretty good deal, guys. So anyway, just wanted to make you guys aware of this little deal at the Home Depot. So you know, if you guys are looking for some tools and you know you like Ridgid and you like having free battery for life, and the tools, guys, when you have an issue with the tool, it's going to take a little bit longer to get it sent back from an unauthorized retailer, and you know they're going to ship it back to Ridgid, and the time you're going to get it back. But for a free battery, guys, if your battery is starting to give out and you have some issues with your battery, you just contact customer support, and like 3 to 4 days later you're gonna have a battery, some batteries at your door, guys. So I did that with my original combo batteries, and I did a video on that. So it took only like 4 or 5 days to get me the new battery. So that was really impressive, guys. So yep, so brand new Ridgid batteries in no time, and just all you have to do is call customer support, do a little diagnostic on the phone, and they're gonna send you some free batteries. So that is pretty awesome, guys. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. That's always appreciated, and catch you guys on the next one.